Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dark Phoenix. Dark Phoenix is a formidable character, known for her immense psychic powers and the devastating Phoenix Force. In her initial state, she excels at delivering significant area of effect damage and controlling the battlefield with her mental abilities. Understanding her core mechanics is crucial for unleashing her full potential and dominating your opponents. To master Dark Phoenix, focus on her core abilities. Her Psychic Blast is your go-to for consistent damage, hitting multiple foes. Her Telekinetic Shield provides crucial defense, absorbing a significant amount of incoming damage for herself or an ally. The key is to build and manage her Phoenix Force meter, knowing precisely when to unleash her ultimate form for maximum impact on the battlefield. For advanced play, positioning is paramount. Ensure her powerful area attacks hit as many targets as possible. She synergizes well with allies who can grant her extra energy or enhance her crowd control, setting up devastating combos. Consider pairing her transformation with a team-wide offensive buff, turning her into an unstoppable force that can wipe out entire enemy teams in one swift move. Dark Phoenix shines brightest when facing groups of enemies, where her area of effect damage can be fully utilized for massive burst potential. However, be wary of opponents who can silence her or apply debilitating debuffs, as these can severely limit her effectiveness. Ultimately, she is a high-risk, high-reward character, capable of single-handedly winning engagements if played skillfully and strategically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.